San Diego County is making progress in the fight against COVID-19.
New senior cases are down. The goal now is to move into the red tier later this month.
News 8's Brandon Lewis goes beyond the numbers to explain how this could become a reality and the challenges still ahead.
Carlo and Marcella, there's really 2 points here. One is the number of vaccinations. There are about 10% of the people in the county who are 16 and older who have now been fully vaccinated. The other are the restrictions that were put in place several months ago that are starting to bear out now.
Long lines for vaccine are back at Petco Park after more doses came in, and so too were complaints about the wait. Supervisor Fletcher says that won't happen for much longer because the site is moving next month.
We'll have to move by the beginning of April to coincide with the start of baseball season. So I think there are efforts to try and stabilize and disperse a little bit, along with streamline.
Some of that depends on us going into a lower tier. That's likely to happen by the end of the month, but leaders hinted the state may overhaul the entire tier system given the vaccines before then.
We don't know what the change will be. We anticipate a change coming. We've been in conversations with it, but we'll obviously have to wait for that change. We think it could come in the coming days.
And there's early proof the vaccines are effective. Nationwide, nursing home cases are down 82%, and locally are seeing a drop in active outbreaks.
It's multifactorial. Certainly vaccinations, it's attributed to that, but it's also attributed just in general in the community to people adhering to the preventive measures.
But first, we have to actually get the vaccines to San Diego. The county is still waiting on its first shipment of the one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and vaccine sites are running at less than half capacity because of shortages.
We still don't have great clarity on what will be coming more than a day or two in advance. And as we've seen in the last few weeks, even when you're told something is on its way doesn't mean it's actually going to arrive. And so this is a struggle, and this is very hard.
The speed of the vaccinations will be a focal point over the next week and a half. They want to vaccinate as many people who are tier 1B as quickly as possible because on March 15th, people with pre-existing conditions become eligible to also get the vaccine.